Right, so this is another past examination question from A-Level Core Mathematics C1. This is from the year January 2010 and this was question number 2 of that paper. So let's have a read. Part A, expand and simplify 7 plus square root of 5 multiplied by 3 minus square root of 5. So let me try part A here. So let me copy this down. So 7 plus square root of 5 multiplied by 3 minus the square root of 5. So let's multiply. 7 times 3. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times minus root 5 is minus 7 square root of 5 or minus 7 root 5. Root 5 times 3 is plus 3 root 5. And root 5 times minus root 5 is minus 5. So remember the idea for the final term. If you multiply root of an a by root of an a, that is the same as root of an a squared, and root of an a squared is a. So using this idea, root 5 times root 5 gives us this 5 here. So let me add the like terms. So 21 minus 5. 21 minus 5 is 16. And minus 7 root 5 plus 3 root 5 is minus 4 root 5. And then we're done. So this should be the solution to part A. Right, now for part B. Express 7 plus root 5 over 3 plus root 5 in the form a plus b root 5 where a and b are integers. So let me try part B over here. Let me copy down this. So 7 plus root 5. So we have that on top. Divided by, so all of this is divided by 3 plus root 5 below. So we need to rationalise this fraction. So let's rationalise. So let's rationalise the denominator. So to rationalise the denominator, I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So conjugate being, we change this sign in the middle from plus to minus. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator in this case by 3 minus root 5, or by the conjugate of the denominator. So let's do that. So let me first multiply the terms in the denominator. So as a side calculation, I'm going to multiply 3 plus root 5 by 3 minus root 5. So let's multiply the two. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times minus root 5, minus 3 root 5. Root 5 times 3, plus 3 root 5. And root 5 times minus root 5, using the idea that we talked about earlier, minus 5. So as you can see, I can do a cancellation. Minus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5 will go when added. And if I continue below, 9 minus 5, 4. So 4 being what we'll get when we multiply the bottom pair of brackets. Now, as for the top pair, 7 plus root 5 times 3 minus root 5, we already done that calculation here as far as part A was concerned, and when we multiplied the two, we had 16 minus 4 root 5. So let me use that answer from part A. So multiplying the two, so same thing as we did for part A, we had 16 minus 4 root 5. So let me borrow the answer from part A. And that is all divided by the 4 below. Whoops. So divided by the 4 below. Let me go one further stage. So I'm going to take a common factor of 4 from the top, from the numerator. So if I factorise the numerator, I have 4 minus root 5 all divided by this 4 below. And from here on, I'm going to cancel this 4 and this 4 on the bottom to give me a final answer of 4 minus root 5. So this should be the solution to part B. So we've completed the question. It's in its entirety. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did enjoy and like the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.